Now we will discuss about exercise 1.5. On this exercise, in this exercise, question number 4. Represent under root 9.3 on number line. 9.3 we have idea. Exercise 1.5. To represent under root 9.3 on number line, we will draw firstly a line segment of 9.3 unit. Firstly, we have drawn a line segment of 9.3. Then after, we produce AB to CD such that BC is equal to 1 unit. यानी AB is equal to 9.3 and AC is equal to 9.3 plus 1. After that, in second step, we bisect the line segment AC with the help of compass. We have idea to bisect the line segment. We will take more than half part as an arc with the help of compass. Then we will take, then it will be cutted. From here we will cut here, both sides, from here also, and it will be bisected. Suppose point O is a midpoint of AC. Suppose O is the midpoint of AC. Now when O is the midpoint of AC, then O is the center and OA is the radius. After that, with the help of OA is the radius and O is the center, we will draw a semicircle such that this A to C. After that, from B, we will draw a perpendicular. To perpendicular, we will draw right angle on B, which is intersect to this arc at D. Now, BD is a radius, and now BD is under root 9.3. After that, from B as a center, we will take radius BD and then cut an arc such that it will be touch producing AC at E. So BE is equal to under root 9.3. आप लोग समझ नहीं पाए होंगे, इसको वेरीफाई कर देते हैं, क्लियर हो जाएगा कैसे ये ऐसे होता है। इसके लिए हम लोग एक प्रयोग करते हैं। लेट AB is equal to P. AB is equal to P and BC is equal to 1 unit. So AC is equal to P plus 1 unit. After that we have divided bisected. So AC by 2 is equal to P plus 1 by 2 unit. That means AC by 2 means OA and OC. That is equal to OA is equal to OC. Here we have OA and OC, and when we join these, that time OBD is right angle triangle and we have AB is equal to P, BC is equal to 1, OA is equal to P plus 1 by 2. OA is equal to OC is equal to AC by 2. That means P1 plus 2. OA is P1 plus P plus 1 by 2 and AB is equal to P. So OB is equal to AB minus OA. Now OB is equal to AB minus OA and AB is P unit minus OA means P plus 1 by 2. So 2P minus P plus 1 by 2. That means 2P minus P minus 1 by 2. That means P minus 1 by 2. Here OB is equal to P minus 1 by 2. OB is equal to P minus 1 by 2. And OD is radius, just like we. So OD is equal to OA. And OA is equal to P plus 1 by 2. P plus 1 by 2. When hypotenuse is P plus 1 by 2, base is P minus 1 by 2. So perpendicular is equal to what? So BD is equal to. So BD is equal to under root OD square minus OB square. Under root OD means P plus 1 by 2 power 2 minus P minus 1 by 2 power 2. Now A plus B whole to the power 2, that means P square plus 2P plus 1 by 4 minus P square minus 2P plus 1 by 4. Here LCM is 4. Then we will write P square plus 2P plus 1 minus P square plus 2P minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, P square minus P square cancel. Then under root 4P by 4. 4 cancel, that is P. That means under root BD is equal to under root P. We have proved BD is equal to under root P. इसका मतलब कि कोई लाइन लेकर और उसको 1 सेंटीमीटर यदि प्रोड्यूस कर दें, फिर उसको बाइसेक्ट कर दें, बाइसेक्ट करने के बाद जो मिड पॉइंट है उसको सेंटर मान लें और इनिशियल पॉइंट और सेंटर को रेडियस मान लें, उससे आर्क खींचें और ओरिजिनल लाइन जो है यानी पॉइंट बी है उस पर परपेंडिकुलर डालें, वह परपेंडिकुलर इस सेमी सर्किल को जहां टच करता है उसका लेंथ माप लें, तो वह लेंथ जो होगा अंडर रूट गिवन नंबर होगा और उसको रेडियस मान करके पॉइंट बी को सेंटर मान करके यदि आर्क खींच देंगे तो यह गिवन जो पहले हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन खींचे हुए थे उसके प्रोड्यूस पार्ट को जहां टच करेगा वह उसका ओरिजिनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगा। धन्यवाद।